Bacon.
A Better Call Bacon investigation has uncovered a cyber attack on cancer patients. The private information of more than 40,000 patients could have been stolen through a data breach at Cancer Treatment Centers of America, which operates hospitals across the country. A Bradenton woman received a statement for lab work for her deceased husband. And that's when she knew she'd better call Bacon. 8 on your side investigator Shannon Bacon joins me now. This is despicable on many levels here.
Yes, it is. Learning of any possible data breach is unsettling, Jen. But, you know, when it involves a loved one who's passed away, it is especially emotional.
The date of services was July the 17th of 18. And
the first sign of trouble was this statement for lab work for Jerry Millam's deceased husband for services supposedly received 2 years after his death from prostate cancer.
Every time I get mail, it just rekindles the fact that he's not here anymore. And to find a bill for something that definitely didn't happen.
Then came this shocking letter. Millam's husband, Bill, is one of the victims of the latest medical cyber attack, this time on Cancer Treatment Centers of America. Based in Boca Raton, CTCA operates hospitals in Atlanta, Chicago, Philadelphia, Phoenix, and Tulsa.
This is one of my favorites.
Millam is still reeling from the death of her beloved husband and is furious to know cyber criminals are targeting cancer patients.
I find it just totally appalling.
The letter explains that a CTCA employee fell for an online phishing scam and provided their network login credentials to a hacker. Compromised information could include facility treatment dates, physician name, cancer type, and/or health information. Millam now knows that her husband's insurance information was already used, and she worries there will be more charges. When she called about the bill,
nobody knew what the right hand, the left hand was doing. It was just mass confusion.
So she called me. She wants reassurance that she won't be on the hook for fraudulent medical bills.
After my call to Cancer Treatment Centers of America, a representative called Jerry to reassure her that she will not be responsible for the bill that she received. A hospital spokeswoman tells me that all patients and families should review their explanation of benefits very carefully, but she added that they cannot be certain that any information was actually stolen.
Yeah, but what are they doing to make sure this doesn't happen again? I mean, that's really the question.
Yeah, well, she tells me that they have decided to give some additional training to all of their employees and staff to make sure that they are protecting patient privacy and security. It was a phishing scam like the ones we all get, and in this case, she thought that she was giving her information to an executive, but it was a crook.
My goodness. All right. Keep us posted if there are more updates, because sometimes you do one story and we find out about more.
That's
all right. Thanks, Shannon. If you do have a problem that needs solving, better call Bank.